Step into the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.